everyone and welcome back to my channel. You're watching Captured by Cage, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Make sure you guys subscribe. Now I am so excited for this video. We are doing an unboxing, and the reason why I'm doing this unboxing is because I want to get into product photography, and a lot of the backdrops are super expensive. So I thought, why not just do my own kind of backdrop and order some stuff online, DIY, do it yourself. And I waited 4 weeks for this package to come, so I am so ecstatic that I can finally do this video. Actually really hot in this bathroom, but I'm wearing this top and these shorts, and I'm really excited. I've got my scissors, so let's get to this. Just using the scissors to cut this up, baby. To cut it up, baby. I'm actually really excited because I want to surprise you with what backdrops I have. So this, I'll be able to do food photography, jewelry photography, and all that jazz. Do you know what? That Chicago film was actually so dead out. Like, it was so boring. So boring. Go. Ooh. Ah! Okay, so this is beautiful. Wow, the quality feels amazing. Okay, so this is one of my backdrops here. Right, so on camera, this looks very yellow, and I'm actually confused as to why it looks yellow, because as you guys can see, that towel, orange towel, this right here is actually the colour of the orange towel at the back. So I don't know why. Hold on, does it look light or yellow? It's actually orange. I don't know what kind of material or why it's showing up yellow, but it's actually orange. So that's great. Just spread this a bit more. Could you imagine, right? Hold on. You've got your jewelry there inside the box, and then maybe you've got this there, that there. Imagine the lighting, guys. Imagine it, imagine it, imagine it. And then we have got this baby here. Now I'm going to show you guys I'm going to show you what it actually looks like in real life, because I think the camera is just not doing it any justice. I wanted to give you guys the opportunity to actually see what I got. So this is one of the vinyl stickers I got. Now they're called vinyl stickers because they're generally vinyl stickers. It's paper. Although it looks like wood, it's not wood. It has a bit of a texture to it, but it's ultimately very smooth. Now when it comes to product photography, you can use different types of backgrounds, but obviously this is the first time I'm using this company, so I wasn't sure. So for example, you'd use a beautiful Malibu bottle that I love, and you would just take a picture of it like this, and obviously you'd get as creative as you want. You'd make sure the lighting is on point, and you'd probably add glasses with some ice in it, and pow, you've got your Malibu shoot. Do you know what I mean? And you can like angle it in different ways. This is a marble one. I love this one because normally like bloggers and all those, or you know, those influencers, they have just like marble, but this is cool because it's pink. You know, and normally you can use like a notepad, but right now we're in the bathroom, so Andrex, take that picture. Oh, but no, you'd probably just use, this is more like, yeah, like this is more like stationary kind of background. And then we have this here. Yeah, so you can see that properly. Now this will be great with food photography, but as you can see, my mood has changed because a baby girl. This is 4 things. I ordered like 7 things. So this is not Happy Keisha right now. Hold on. Or Happy Kate. Hold on, what's this? Okay, so these are the oh, so this, okay. This is one of the samples I got. This is basically tile. And I just thought, what could I use this for? I wasn't entirely sure, hence I got the samples, but I just thought this looks so cute. And then I also got tiles again, but in pink, because I thought you can't really go wrong with pink, and you could probably use this for food, or you could use it for like fitness. Okay, so I've got a roll of backdrops. What am I going to do with it? Well, I'm going to do crazy things with it. I'm actually going to have to get cardboard. I'm going to have, and this sticky back as well. So once I take the back off, it's just going to stick. And normally what people would do, so with this, people would use this for their kitchens. Like for example, the tiles that I'll show you separately, they'll use that to stick on their bathroom. You know how people are lazy nowadays, so they don't really want to hire people to plaster tiles on their wall. They just get fake ones and like literally take it off and stick it, which is actually pretty handy. But yes, I'm going to be doing a lot of DIY, and I'm going to be sticking these things to cardboard and creating my own backdrop. So when you guys see exclusive photographs of food photography or product photography, you guys are gonna understand. I hope you got the same vision, but I'm probably gonna add some pictures so you do understand. I'm quite happy with it, but you know what? This material, like, it feels very flimsy. Not flimsy, but it feels like it's very prone to get air bubbles, and that's not a good thing because air bubbles really ruin things. But I'm happy I got what I got. I hope you enjoyed that video. Now I know I did a lot of explaining and trying to get you guys to see my vision, but ultimately it's going to be a DIY kind of thing where you guys are going to see me put it together, and hopefully I don't fail and don't have a temper tantrum and don't start crying because I can't do it or get the air bubbles out. But this is a journey. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and hit me up on Instagram because I'm very active on my socials, especially Instagram. I'm very interactive, be running competitions, I support people, so make sure you guys check it out. Hope you enjoyed this video. The weather has been really terrible this week, so I'm out of here. I need like an outro. I need an outro. I need an outro. I need an outro. I need an outro. Because small booties matter. And boom, 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 boom. Oh my god, my outro could be like this, yeah? So I'm gonna have the subscribe button and see if I can move it away, like, subscribe, boom, boom. So it should be there, like, boom, boom. Okay, I have nothing better to do. Bye.